Look what just showed up at the doorstep of my office. Now, most of the time you see me talking science, but today I just want to talk practicality for a second. I'm a busy guy, okay? I'm a new dad, I'm a husband, I'm a business owner, doing this all while trying to stay in amazing shape so that I can continue to motivate my audience and motivate my fans. So the thing is, I don't always have time to go to the grocery store and pick up every single thing that I need. And honestly, ButcherBox has changed my life. You see, I want to show you what I've got here. Really quick, I get this package that shows up at my door. And no longer do I really have to worry about the ingredients or the source of any of the food that I get, especially when it comes down to proteins and when it comes down to meat. You see, I'm really big on making sure that what I'm putting in my body is quality over quantity. I don't want to be eating copious amounts of protein all the time. I want to be making sure that I'm getting the quality so I don't have to eat as much and it saves me money. So right here, I'm able to get true grass-finished beef, not grass-fed, but grass-finished, so the omega-3 to omega-6 profile is where it needs to be. I'm able to get the chicken that's actual good free-range chicken, not total garbage, that I really need to be able to get a small amount of protein that has a big bang for the buck inside my body. And then, if I'm ever on a keto diet and I need to keep my fats higher, I'm able to get the chicken thigh that I want that has a little bit of a higher fat content, but without all the toxins that are built up in most of the fat that you're gonna get off the chicken thighs that are in the grocery store. So here's the thing. If you're a busy person, I recommend this thing, because this is something that is changing my life. I never thought that I would be someone that would order food online. Honestly, when it ends up being cheaper than the grocery store and it saves me time, it makes it so that I can focus on what I do best, which is educating my viewers and helping spread the word of good health throughout the entire world. So make sure you check out ButcherBox and make sure that you get on with your life doing what you're good at, because that's where you should be spending your time.